Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I am going to unbox the dog coin saving bank. This coin saving bank has a cute and friendly design. I find this coin saving bank a fun and practical gift, for example, for birthdays, to help kids learn to save money and to see their savings grow over time. This coin saving bank comes in different colors, such as white, brown, and black. Guys, let's start unboxing. Please watch this video till the end. One of the easiest ways we learn how to save money is with a coin bank or some other container to collect our coins or notes. This coin saving bank encourages good savings habits. The earlier we start saving, the more likely it will become a habit. This coin saving bank is only suitable for coin use. It fits many types of standard coins, such as nickels and quarters. What I also like about this coin saving bank is that it is not only a money saving box, but you can also use it for home and office decoration. This coin saving bank is so lovely. The dog has smart eyes and rotating ears. On the sides of this coin saving bank, you can find the coin outlet, which has a large capacity that allows you to deposit many pieces of coins. It can hold more than 40 coins. At the bottom of this coin bank, you can find the battery holder and the on or off button. This coin bank is battery powered. This coin bank uses 2 AA batteries. When you install the 2 AA batteries, ensure that the batteries positive and negative are directed at the bottom shell mark and ensure proper installation. Now, let's test the coin saving bank. It is time to feed this cute hungry dog some coins. Are you ready? Put a coin in the food basin. Give this cute hungry dog some coins. Watch as the dog grabs your coins and dips its head into the coin slot while happily moving its tail and body as it stores your coins. What a fun way to save money. I love this coin saving bank. This coin saving bank is made of durable plastic material, ABS material. All of your coins will be saved in this tiny compartment box below the dog. So, here you can find all the money you have saved up. This coin saving bank works very well, especially with heavier coins like quarters and nickels. When you give this hungry dog some coins to eat, be careful not to place many coins at once in his bowl. So, place a few coins at a time for the coin bank to work efficiently. As I mentioned earlier, this coin saving bank is only suitable for coin use. So, avoid putting other things in the food basin. Let's now test and compare this coin saving bank with other coin saving banks. I find these coin saving banks very attractive, with vibrant colors and emotions. It is fun to use more than one coin saving bank. You may label each coin saving bank with your planned purchase and start saving money. I would love to hear your opinion on which coin bank you like more. So please leave your comment in the comments section. Please like, comment, and subscribe.